Well, it's day 3 of the Sarah-Hartsfield murder trial. She's accused of killing her 5th husband, Joseph, who was diabetic and died from complications of insulin in 2023. Fox 26's Jillian Hartmann is outside the Chambers County Courthouse after listening to hours of testimony.
Well, for the first time, jurors heard the 911 call Sarah Hartsfield made when she found her husband, Joseph, unresponsive. 2 of his doctors took the stand, saying the way he died was tragic, and they were surprised by his cause of death given his medical history. Now, Joseph's sister told the court in emotional testimony that he was scared that Sarah would murder him. Day 3 in court, the prosecution played the 911 call Sarah Hartsfield made in 2023. She asked for help, saying Joseph was breathing heavily and she was trying to wake him up. She sounded fairly calm at first, but appears to cry by the end of the call. Olivia Hardy, a dispatch supervisor for the Chambers County Sheriff's Office, said in her experience, it's not normal for someone to delay calling 911 when a diabetic is unresponsive. The prosecutor said Sarah waited at least an hour. The defense argued she was in shock. Hardy also said paramedics usually can treat diabetics before they even get to the hospital, so deaths like this are rare. Joseph's sister, Jean, finished her testimony Wednesday. Less than 2 weeks before Joseph died, Jean said he was worried Sarah would kill him in his sleep. On January 7, 2023, Joseph was hospitalized and died days later on January 15th from a toxic level of insulin. His doctor, John Knight, testified that too much insulin can cause a dangerous drop in blood sugar. He was surprised by the cause of death since Joseph had a history of severely high blood sugar. Now, Joseph's endocrinologist says he was so afraid of low blood sugar, he took less insulin and set his glucose monitor to alert early at 100, but on the day he was hospitalized, data showed his blood sugar was low for hours. She was shocked he did not respond to the constant alerts. The defense said Sarah heard the alert but thought Joseph was okay until she found him unresponsive. 10 insulin pens were found by his bed, but it's unclear if they were used. Sarah claims she did not give Joseph the insulin. Now, Joseph's manner of death was ruled undetermined. The defense is trying to make a case that his death could have been from his health issues, including diabetes, sleep apnea, and heart condition. The prosecution argues that Sarah delayed getting help and intentionally caused his death. Now, if convicted of murder, Sarah could face life in prison. I'm Jillian Hartmann, Fox 26 News.